model, 2013 Ford Transit 125 T350 Rwd flatbed dropside tipper spares or repairs runs. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 116471. MOT, the 11th of October 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. One of the cylinders is low on compression. The engine will need replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van, and with only a little bit of TLC it will be back to its former glory. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, tipper in working order, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,995 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401